Hi everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today we're doing 10-minute no equipment oblique focus workout. So we're gonna focus on our waistline, slimming our waistline. So what we need today is just our mats only. The format will be, we have 10 different exercises that we're gonna repeat once. Each exercise will be 45 seconds of work with 15 seconds of break. And here's our tiger. Gonna join us today? But you can repeat this more than once, twice, or even 3 times if you like. But with me, we're just gonna repeat once. It's gonna be a quick, express core focus workout. Don't forget your water and your towel. And if you're ready, let's go and get started. 여러분 안녕하세요. 인터벌업의 애슐리입니다. 자, 오늘은 저와 함께 단 10분 만에 옆구리 집중 운동을 해볼 건데요. 그래서 맨몸으로 하는 운동이어서 준비해 주실 거는 매트만 준비해 주시면 되고요. 10가지 운동이 있는데 각 운동을 45초 운동과 15초 휴식으로 이루어집니다. 그리고 그냥 한 세트씩 해볼 건데요. 혹시 더 긴 복근 운동을 원하신다면 이거를 2번 또는 3번 반복하셔도 돼요. 그래서 오늘 준비해 주실 거는 매트, 물, 땀 닦을 타올 잊지 마시고요. 자, 그러면 준비되셨으면 시작해 보러 갈까요? Ready everyone? Let's go and get started with our warm up. And Tiger's gonna join us today. Reverse it. Swing your arms, legs side to side. Reach up, toe tap back. Go for 4, 3, 2, and 1. 4 kicks, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hip openers. Good. Other side. Hands on your shoulders, rotate. Jog it out for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So let's go and get started. So 45 seconds, 15 second break. First, we're going to be doing standing. We're doing standing, knee to elbow. Squat, knee to elbow. Oblique twist. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Feet hip width apart. Right here. Good. A few more. All low impact. Take a break. Next one, we're doing squat toe taps. Squat to opposite toe taps. Right, Taker? She's like, what? Ready? Squat, opposite toe tap. Number 2. Take a break. Now we're going to do a slow cross mountain climbers. Number 3. Here we go. Knee to opposite hand.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away, heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place.
Take a break. 4, Russian twist.
Just let go, lose control. Play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Wow.
Feet off the floor, tap. Modify, keep your heels on the floor and stay here. Otherwise, off.
And here we are.
Okay, take a break. 5, we're doing side plank dips. Same side, right side.
I think we're getting close. We should take a pic, baby, strike a pose. I remember every day that I spent right here with you. Yeah,
now modify, keep your knees on the floor and you're lifting your hips up. But keeping your knees on the floor. Otherwise, stay here. Up and down.
Just let go, lose control. Play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. This could be magical. Whoa,
okay, 6, we're doing heel tap. Before we do the other side. Heel tap.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay. Cause baby, I love you. Why you tryna break us up? When I'm tryna build it up. I wish I could make you stop. Cause baby, I love you.
Okay,
Cause I'm gonna dance alone.
7, we are doing other side. Side plank dips.
You know I can
Ready?
never get it
And
right
go.
without you.
Left side.
I don't wanna step into the light.
Here comes
If I
Tiger.
get you, shawty, you bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that.
Okay, 8, we're doing opposite knee taps.
First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down.
Go.
I've never really been the one who's worried. Always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. Cause I was made to be free.
Okay, 9, star crunch, opposite toe tap.
I am made
Now modify, stay with me test. Otherwise,
Well, I am made to be free. Been thinking about myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from.
10, our last one. We're going to stand up and finish it up. So plie knee to elbow.
Knowing that
Standing,
it's not just you,
oblique
it's
crunch.
me. 'Cause I was made to be free.
Down, knee, knee, and then up.
I am made to be free.
Keep your back straight.
I am made to be free. Well, I am made to be free. That's my choice. What I need to be free. Still thinking how we love.
And we are done. That was number 10.
That it's not about you, just me.
Great job, everyone. Get water. Shake your arms out. Shoulder rollouts. 3, 2, 1. Stretch out the shoulders. Take a deep breath in and out. Triceps. Shoulder. Triceps. Interlace your fingers, press out. And then release. Heel to your glute, keep your knees side by side. Switch. Heel down, toes up. Okay, jog it out for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That we are done for today. That was our express 10-minute oblique focused core workout. Hope you enjoyed the workout. Like I said, if you want a longer workout version of this, you can repeat this twice or even 3 times. That's up to you. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I post every Monday and Thursday. If you have any workout suggestions or ideas, please write in the comment section below and I'll make sure to read and fill that for you next time. Have a wonderful day, drink your water, and I will see you